All right, all right, all right. Let's do this. So electrical vehicles are a pain in the neck, right? Every time you go out for a ride, you need to start planning your journey because you don't know where to charge the vehicle. Why? Because you don't have enough plugs. And why don't you have enough plugs? Because they're way too expensive to install. And if you're an electrical driver owner, that's your problem. Now, on the other side, if you are a provider of this service, again, it's a problem because you are spending thousands of dollars installing these solutions and still you have no revenues and you have to still pay for the electricity. So for people that have this problem, I'll give you Mov. Now, Mov was a startup that was created in January 2018 by 3 Lisbon MBA students. On my left side, José, he has 14 years of experience in the energy sector. I'm the guy in the middle, I'm Pedro Garcia, I have 10 years of experience in IT. And on the right side, Pedro Silva has 10 years of experience in project management. And this is us in Madrid winning the Porsche Challenge for innovation. Our moonshot is to create a platform that will enable the largest sustainable charging grid for electrical commuters. The way we are planning to do this is by targeting 2 customers. The first one, let's call them the providers. We will give them a product, they will be a fifth of the price, 10 times cheaper to install. It will actually have a return for the investment, and it will enable the consumer to pay for the electricity, not the provider. For the electrical vehicle owner, we want to give them convenience, so they can now charge anytime, anywhere, with the cheapest kilowatt per hour price. So by now, you should all be screaming and crying and trying to see what I have. So I'm going to show you Silicon Valley's finest technology, our MVP, okay? This is the product that the providers are going to have. This is a smart plug that will enable you to set the price you want for you to be paid for electricity, and also control who actually uses the plug. On the other hand, for the electrical vehicle user, you'll use a smartphone application. With this application, you will scan the barcode here. Okay? Once the barcode is scanned, we get the information about the plug. Now, if you want to charge it, just press charge, and voila, magic happens. The vehicle is being charged. Once you're done, you can stop, and it will turn off. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Technology works. Technology works. The way we are planning on going to markets is by starting to create partnerships. We want to build partnerships with places where people actually spend some time. So we're going to start with office buildings, hospitals, shopping malls, hotels, places like this. We will then create a reward program for evangelists. We also want to add services to our platform. And finally, we'll believe that word of mouth will be also an interesting way of showing our product. Right now, in March 2018, there are 825,000 electrical vehicles in the US. We are going to target 30% of this market because 30% is actually the people that we believe that have this problem, and we are trying to solve it right now. So, making some calculations about the average miles per month and also the consumption, we get to a number that is almost 500 million kilowatts per hour that is being spent just on electrical vehicles. Now, if we add our fees on this energy, we'll get to a value of $10 million per year on a market that is growing 20% every year. We know there is a lot of competition along this road, but still, Mov is the only company that is incentivizing the sharing of electricity. We give revenues to the providers, and we give convenience to the electrical vehicle owners. So now electrical vehicles are not a problem anymore. And like these guys, you just have to find a different one. This is Mov. We are moving energy. Thank you very much.